Aha Lessons by Sarah Horner. Lesson 1. Refer back to prior projects and look through your Dreamweaver code. The class tutorials that the professor gives you and have you follow along with is not for nothing. They are building blocks for other assignments. For example, we had an exercise where we had to build a simple form. Not too much styling had to go into the page, though a month later, we now have to put a form into our major national park project. Having already built a form, this task is made to be much more simple the second time. The code is already done. You just have to go back in and tweak the design to fit your new page. Having and using code from prior projects can help you work smarter, not harder, because you don't have to start from scratch. Lesson 2. Constantly check your code in a web browser. Also, check your code in multiple browsers, not just one. When I first began coding, I did not quite understand the reasoning in div ID and div classes. I soon realized that if you style a class a certain way with CSS, it uses that style over and over again. This can be a really good thing. For example, you might want all of your headings to be pink with center alignment. However, if you don't, you must make a new class and list it under the div you want to change. So many times I have had divs styled the wrong way and I don't check my document enough and can't find where the problem is. Also, just because you are using one browser to check your work does not mean it looks the same in another. For example, in my form exercise, I only check my work in Google Chrome. Though when my professor opened the document in a different browser, some of the text boxes were way bigger. Thank you for your time. I hope this video helps you succeed and work smarter, not harder.